Welcome to Steve's Kitchen. Today I'm going to share with you some tips how to make a delicious recipe. You know, success is thinking ahead. So you go shop the day before. So that way when you come the next day to make the food, everything is there. So it's the next day. So you already have the food. You know what you're going to make, so you need your pots, you need your pans, you need the drainers, you need the spoons, whatever things you need to execute the recipe, you have it. So that way you don't feel stressed. Another thing, it's a good idea, you have a fun drink, like maybe you make a green tea, make you have an apple juice, a glass of wine, you put some nice music on. So the thing is, better you feel, better your food is going to taste. So now you're in the kitchen, you're making the recipe, you're feeling good, but at the same time, clean as you go. Because what happens is, like, cleaner you are in the kitchen, more you're going to enjoy the food later. You're in the kitchen, you are cooking, you're feeling good, everything smells good. You have to be careful with the herbs and spices. Put the right amount in the food. Like, remember, sugar and salt look the same, but they have different results. And at the same time, always be sure, take a spoon and taste your food. So you always have time to adjust. When you're in your kitchen and you're making that recipe, you have to realize you are the captain of your recipe. You choose what to be in it and what's not going to be in it. That is a gift. Go to our YouTube channel for more recipes. Please subscribe.